How good is that? Just look at the entrance. This is the freshwater river where we normally go, but the water has receded. And there's Lucida. Look, we're guarded by trees. Ha 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 ha. How beautiful is that? Now I can relax. Was a little bit hot on the way, but now I'm fine. Master's gonna go for a swim. Suits me perfectly. I just stay here and relax. Yeah, me too. A bit of drink will do me good. Ha 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 ha. Ah, nice. I like it. I like it. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, nice, isn't it? Master, hop into the water. Don't muck about.
The next day.
Just wants to be on the camera.
Hey, JJ, what's your name?
Yeah, I'm a windhound. A racing hound, an ex-racer. I can run really fast. Come on, JJ, you have to go with your master. Goodbye. What are you doing, master? You're watching us very closely, aren't you? I'm gonna go into the water. Have a bit of a swim myself. It's hot today. No breeze. My God, that was a bit of a splash, wasn't it? You wanna know that's a jellyfish of some sort? I'm gonna pick him up. Oh, look at this. Must be some sort of a blooper. Blooper dooper.